Ever wished you could make your AI creations recognizably the same person, even in wildly different styles? Let's jump into Leonardo AI first. We need to use image-to-image generation. This feature lets us feed an existing image to influence a new one. Now, upload the image of the face you want to duplicate as the base image in the image-to-image section. Next, write a prompt describing the style you want be as specific as possible. Include details like the art style you're aiming for, the lighting, and any desired elements. Adjust the image-to-image strength. Slider a lower number will stay closer to the original uploaded image, while a higher number will give more control to your prompt, so dial it in based on how much variation you want. Generate, review the results. You should see a new image that resembles your original face, but with the style and details specified in your prompt. To fine-tune, focus on key facial features. Pay close attention to the eyes, nose, and mouth. These are the most important factors for maintaining likeness. Tweak the prompt, specifying those features directly. For example, the prompt might include same smiling face or same piercing blue eyes. Try reducing image-to-image strength again slightly if needed. Generate again. Repeat the prompt adjustment and generation process as many times as needed until you achieve the desired level of likeness and style. And there you have it. You've successfully replicated a face across different styles in Leonardo AI. Now go have fun creating consistent characters and exploring endless artistic possibilities.